Cello to the good honeybee. I'm Hans Tiemann, and this is another good bees video coming to you. Right here from the beautiful Caribbean island of Trinidad. It's 11:30 a.m. and we are going to continue. So stay with me. I really need some company today. Step one. That was step two. Let's see. These and them, they didn't come at me at all. Thank the Lord for that. Let's see about step three now. So hold on there for a minute. Let me catch my breath and I'll come back to you. Okay, step three is going to begin. I hear a lot of thunder on the other side, but I can't slow down. I have to continue. So without further ado, let's see what we're doing here now. Bees, 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 bees. Let me go, let me go, let me go. They finally find me. I get two stings behind my head. And they still want to come at me again. Oh my. So I have to put on my suit now, boy. Yes. I thought they'd give me a little chance. Two stings behind the head right now. I can't chance that hell on that. Okay, I'll come back at you. Okay, I'm back. You see how I was around just now? Yeah, boy. They decide to teach me a lesson. What? Say what? You gotta do what you gotta do. Everything by you cool there? I need to make sure you could see me good enough. Right. Yeah, come in closer. All right. This one here, like it want to give me a little run for money. So I have to get it right. All right, so at least we got that one good. Just two more to go. Yeah. Once this gets once this thing is stabilized here, it's not going to move again. This is the new stand for 2024. I christened it version 2024. The new bee stand. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe, ring the bell icon. For those who didn't know, you could make sure and subscribe. When you ring the bell icon, all the good videos that I'm making will come to you first. You don't need to worry. Yes, man. That's what I'm talking about. Swing around here. Check out the other side. You see, I didn't ask those bees for invitation to come in their domain. So that's what I mean by when I say they teach me a lesson. Anytime you see you forget, these will remind you, So try not to forget, Because them things though, although it's good for arthritis and migraine headache and aches and pains, but it also gives you pain. So it's better to show them the respect. You see, right now I put on the suit and not one of them coming at me because I give them the smoke. So now that they know I am here doing some work, once you interfere with the colony itself, you're good to go, you know. So I hope you like my new 2024 bee stand version 2024. Maybe you could hook it up wherever you have a apiary. You're planning to put an apiary. Try it, you will like it. Right. The only other thing I have to do now, when I come back next time, let me show it to you. You see, let me go stay away from them bees, boy. Alright. You see this yellow container here? That's where I put in the oil. Right, so then you have this aluminum sort of shielding here for the rain, and any debris that want to fall down inside the oil there wouldn't be able to fall into it. Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. And then we just had to put 5 or 6 colonies of bees on top there. So I'm finished with this now. The only other thing I have to do is to do a little weedy side all the way around here. I like to have my place looking free of weeds. Dry season coming up just now, and when that time comes, I will rake those dry leaves away so it wouldn't, if it have any bushfire, it wouldn't cause any bushfire problems for me at all. Alright, so I feel that I will have to put on gloves when I'm doing that weedy side, you know. Because those bees, sometimes you see I started walking from the driveway, you will get annoyed. Right, so that's me right there. Let me just move around things, put it back in proper place. Right, so that I'll be able to work more comfortable when I come back. So that is what I'm talking about right here. This stand is going to be, it's 2 feet from the ground, exactly 2 feet, and I have this step up here. So when I step up on this here, I'll be able to tend to the colonies easy. Unlike this one, I have to put one of those cases to stand up on. You see, I had a different idea when I was building there. This one is much more easier. Well, not if you have to move it. But that first one is much lighter. Alright, so that's me there. And I'll put back the other boxes on top here for the meanwhile. See, I have them in the corner over there. And I hope you join me here again. You know, like, share, ring the bell icon. Leave a comment in the section below. Read whatever description I put. See if you like it. And let me double and triple before I go and spray. But once I spray, that's it. I'm home. Yeah, man. Take a small little walk through. See how they're looking? This is the badge on, you know. This one here. See a washboard in there? That means they're doing very well. So when I put them here, when I expand to this other section, we'll be in a good gear. Yeah, man. It's nice that you come and keep me company and you see all the little antics I usually do. So I was able to cut down the tree, as you see, and clear up the place a little bit more. So now let me just go and spray. And that thunder keep rolling, boy. I don't know. We supposed to get rain and we're not getting rain. Anyhow, everybody had a work to do. Nature, bees, everybody. So here's the thing I want to leave you with. He who have much time. Is that how it's going by? I'll come back to you on that. I have to think about it a little bit. Right? I'll give you a little synopsis. The weather changing, you know. The weather changing. So, here is the thing. Anyone who makes best use of their time have none to spare. And that's how I look at my situation here. I try to make the best use of my time. So, is that a good one for you? Eh? Yeah, man. All right. I'll leave you with that. Bye for now. TTFN.